Hey everyone, I'm Aryan. I'm the founder of GHL Scale Up, and in this video, we are going to be discussing how to build a live chat widget inside GoHighLevel and how to connect it with your AI chatbot that was already built on GoHighLevel. So, in the previous video, we discussed how to build an AI chatbot inside of GoHighLevel. We discussed the bot goals, bot training, knowledge base, and how to make it sure that it responds to the visitor perfectly and correctly. But there should be a way for customers to interact with the chatbot. And that is where the live chat widget comes in. So in this video, we are going to be discussing how to build a live chat widget, how to customize its appearance. We'll see how to configure all the settings, and we are going to make it sure that it gets perfectly connected to the chatbot that we built in the last video. So by the end of this video, you'll have a chat widget that you can embed on your website. So let's get started. And also you can see I am trying to get better with every video that you post. As you can see, I've customized the way I'm recording the video. Last few videos were not as professional as how it should be. So yeah, for the couple of visitors who are viewing our videos regularly, um, I think yeah, we should celebrate it together. So yeah, we are inside our sub account. On the left-hand menu, I see an option called Sites. Inside Sites, we see multiple options, and then we're gonna select Chat Widget from here. So GoHighLevel provides multiple chat widgets depending on the communication channel we want to use. So we'll see multiple options such as all-in-one chat, SMS, email, Facebook chat, WhatsApp chat, Instagram chat, etc. Each option serves a different purpose depending on how your business communicates with the customers. So we have chosen the live chat. So now let's give the widget a name. Choose a name that helps you identify the widget easily, especially if you're managing multiple websites or multiple chat widgets. On the left-hand side, we'll see three main sections: a style, chat window, and messaging. We will configure each one step by step. There are two options: sticky and embedded or inline. Sticky displays the chat icon fixed on the website screen, while embedded places the widget directly inside a page section. For most websites, sticky works the best, so that's why I'm sticking to sticky. Now let's move on to the appearance section. The first option allows you to enable or disable the chat prompt. This prompt encourages visitor to start a conversation with your business. Next, you can customize the chat icon displayed on the website. Below that, you'll find theme customization options. GoHighLevel provides predefined theme colors that can be applied instantly. You can also choose a custom color if you want the widget to match your website brand perfectly. After selecting the theme color, there are typography options. Here you can customize the font family and the text color you want to use throughout the widget. For this setup, I'm using predefined color themes and selecting Poppins as a font because it looks clean, modern, and professional. And as a matter of fact, we also use that on our website. Uh, Next, we have text customization options. This includes the welcome message that visitors see when they open the chat widget. You can also enable or disable custom greetings for return visitors. This is useful because repeat visitors can receive a more professional message instead of seeing the same greeting again and again. Simply enable the feature if needed and customize the text according to your business. Now let's move into the widget customization. Here you can change the avatar displayed inside the chat widget. You can upload your business logo, a support team image or branding asset you prefer. You can also edit the avatar name that appears to visitors. Below that, you can adjust the widget position and dimensions. Now we have contact form section. Here you can collect visitor information such as their name, email address, and phone number before the conversation begins. You will also find the send button configuration option here. Below that is an option called redirect to call action. When enabled, user can redirect to a specific URL after submitting the form. You will need to provide the redirection text and destination URL. For this setup, I'm keeping this feature disabled. Now, let's move to live chat assigned feature. This option determines whether the contact form is required before visitors can start chatting. For this tutorial, I'm keeping this disabled. Below that, you can customize the contact form introduction message. Next, we have the show live chat message toggle. I am enabling this option and adding a custom welcome message. You can create a greeting that introduces your business and encourages the visitors to ask questions. Further down, you will find inactivity settings. This allows you to define how long the system waits before sending an inactivity message. I'm setting the inactivity period to 15 minutes and using the default message provided by GoHighLevel. And with that, the live chat assigned section is complete. Now let's configure the live chat close section. This controls what happens when chat is unavailable. I am setting the inactivity period to 15 minutes and keeping the default message provided by the platform. Now we have business hours set up. You can enable or disable business hours depending on your requirements. For this demonstration, I'm leaving it disabled. However, if your support team operate during specific hours, you can enable this feature and define your working days and support schedule. Now let's move on to the additional options. Here you will find several toggle settings, including notification sounds, voice note support, file attachment, support, loading on user interaction, and agency branding options. For this tutorial, I am leaving these settings exactly how they are. You can customize them later based on your requirements. Now we have branding settings. Here you can configure the widget title, display name, and website URL. I'm entering my business information, but you can replace these values with your own company details. At the bottom, you will also find a consent checkbox option along with HIPAA and legal compliance messages. Depending on your industries and compliance requirements, you can customize these settings accordingly. And with that, the additional option section is complete. Uh, Now let's move on to the messaging section. Inside messaging, we have two main areas, acknowledgements and languages. First, let's open acknowledgements. Here you can customize the feedback message, chat completion messages, and acknowledgement icons shown to users after certain actions. These messages help create a more professional and polished user experience. After configuring the acknowledgement settings, move into the language sections. Here you can select the language used throughout the chat widget. And for this tutorial, I'm using English, United States. Now everything is configured. Let's click save to save all your chat widget settings. And at this point, the chat widget setup is complete. So that is it for today's videos. In this video, we have covered how to build a live chat widget, how to customize its appearance, how to configure all the settings that is required to build a chat widget. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect this chat widget to the AI chatbot that we have previously created on GoHighLevel. So yeah, that's it from my end. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.